Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me from. You are welcome to today's video. If you are seeing this face for the very first time, you are absolutely welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always stopping by to watch your baby girl. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make my yummy custard cookies. I can bet it with you that this is the best recipe on internet as at this moment. Try this recipe and I can assure you your children, your family members will definitely like it. If you are hearing a background noise, please ignore. I am in the compound and there's a construction going on beside my house and a lot of things just going on, but I just decided to start this video right about now. Without further much delay, let us get right into the video. Please consider subscribing if you haven't. Let us get the channel to 1K before the end of the month. With you, with me, I know we can do it. Without delay, let's get going. $200 of flour, 100 grams of Checkers custard powder, 200 grams of baking margarine, 100 grams of icing sugar, and 1 egg. So these are just the things I'll be using for this. So let's get into the making of this yummy cookies.